In the last lecture, we have grouped data by date in our pivot tables. You can also see some other ways to group our data as well. So, for example, we want to group these two regions to one north region and this one to south region. To do that, select the two regions, northeast and northwest, and right click and then group. Now we have grouped and change the name to north. Let's change the name to north. In the same manner, select these two regions, southeast and southwest, and right click and group and change the name to south only. South. Now we can collapse to the compact form of our grouping, and we can also play with other analysis, and we can group also rows if we need to. If you want to, you can do that. We can make our own grouping with any data with this method. It's powerful and effective.